If you want a clean, well-organized website in WordPress, structuring your pages with parent and child relationships is a must. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create child pages or subpages in WordPress. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your content easier to manage, improve your navigation, and even add a little SEO boost to your site. So let's dive right in and get your pages organized. First, let's start by opening the page you want to turn into a child page or a subpage. In your WordPress dashboard, you're going to head over to the left side where you see the menu. Click on Pages, then choose All Pages. You'll see a list of every page you've created so far. Take a moment to find the exact page you want to nest under another. For example, if you have a page called Our Team that you want to place under your About Us page, click on Our Team. This will open up the editor for that particular page. Don't worry if you have a lot of pages, there's a search bar at the top if you need to quickly find the right one. Now let's talk about page attributes. This is where the magic happens. On the right-hand side of your editing screen, you'll see a sidebar filled with settings. Scroll down slowly until you see a section labeled Page Attributes. If you don't spot it right away, don't panic. It's sometimes a bit lower, especially if you've added plugins or custom options to your editor. Just take your time and keep scrolling. Inside the Page Attributes section, you'll find a drop-down menu called Parent Page. This is the key. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of all the existing pages on your site. Here where you pick which page will serve as the parent. For our example, you'd select About Us as the parent page for your Our Team subpage. By setting this up, WordPress knows to nest your page underneath the parent, which keeps your site structure neat and logical. It's like creating folders within folders on your computer. It just makes everything easier to find. Once you've selected your parent page, it's time to save those changes. At the top right, you'll notice an Update button if you're editing an existing page, or a Publish button if your page is brand new. Go ahead and click that when you're ready. Don't worry if it takes a moment, WordPress is just doing its thing to reorganize your page hierarchy. And that's it, your page is now a child of the parent you selected. If you view your site, you'll notice the page URL now reflects this structure, something like yoursite.com/aboutus/our-team. Not only does this look clean, but it also helps visitors understand where they are on your site. It can even give search engines a clearer map of your content, which can be a subtle benefit for SEO. So to wrap up, nesting pages in WordPress using the page attributes is a simple way to keep your content organized and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another WordPress topic you'd like to see covered next. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.